Ever imagined a virtual robot could be your cash machine? Discover the secret to turning chatbots into your silent moneymakers, all behind the scenes. Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today, we're delving into the lucrative world of chatbots. Stick around till the end, as the insights in this video could be the stepping stones to your online earning journey, all without showing your face. Dive into the virtual world and you'll find chatbots taking the center stage thanks to their knack for automating conversations and dishing out efficient customer support. But their realm extends much beyond, offering a goldmine of opportunities to rake in income without putting your personal identity in the spotlight. Let's steer through the chatbot avenue and unveil how you can cash in on this tech marvel. First off, let's touch on the rising prowess of chatbots. They are AI-fueled virtual assistants that mimic human conversation through predefined scripts and algorithms. Whether it's messaging apps, websites, or social media platforms, chatbots are there, interacting with users seamlessly. Businesses are harnessing chatbots to streamline customer service, marketing, and sales, yet few have tapped into the potential for individual monetization. Now to the meat and potatoes of making money with chatbots. Identifying a profitable niche is your starting line. Align it with your interest and expertise, be it doling out information, consultation, or selling products and services. When you're invested in your niche, crafting engaging chatbot interactions becomes second nature, converting leads into paying customers. Once your niche is locked in, it's time to bring your chatbot to life. Thankfully, there are myriad user-friendly platforms that have your back, even if coding sounds Greek to you. They offer intuitive interfaces, a drag-and-drop system, and pre-designed templates to ease your way through the chatbot creation process. Designing your chatbot is an art. Aim for a conversational, empathetic, and engaging demeanor. Personalizing responses, infusing a touch of humor and creativity can make your chatbot memorable and appealing. The more users enjoy interacting with your chatbot, the higher your chances of conversions and revenue. Now let's talk dollars. Affiliate marketing is a popular avenue to earn through chatbots. By joining forces with businesses in your niche, you can promote their offerings through your chatbot. Each sale made through your affiliate links earns you a commission. Caught in our content web? Stay entwined, subscribe, give a nod with a like, and ring the bell to keep weaving through. Ready to spin more tales? Let's jump back into the story. The trick is to weave affiliate promotions seamlessly into your chatbot conversations, serving value to users while earning on the side. Next up, lead generation and building a sales funnel through your chatbot. Offer nuggets of value like ebooks, webinars, or exclusive content in return for users' contact details. Automate nurturing sequences through your chatbot, providing relevant information, product updates, and exclusive offers. As leads journey down the sales funnel and make purchases, you earn your cut. If your niche allows, offering consultation services through your chatbot is a viable money-making strategy. Users seeking advice can interact with your chatbot to book consultation sessions with you. Leverage your expertise to provide valuable insights, personalized recommendations, and problem-solving solutions. Charge a fee for your consultation service, and you have a revenue stream flowing in. Personalized content recommendations can also be a part of your chatbot's offering. Analyzing users' preferences, interests, and behavior allows your chatbot to dish out tailored content suggestions. Collaborate with content creators or businesses in your niche to promote their offerings through your chatbot. Earn a commission for every referred lead or sale while enriching users' experiences. Now, to keep the money train chugging, optimizing your chatbot is crucial. Stay abreast with the latest trends, industry shifts, and user feedback. Continual improvements and updates to your chatbot's conversations, responses, and features are key to enhancing user experience. Staying relevant and offering value can significantly boost your income generation through your chatbot. Use analytics tools to track metrics like user engagement, conversion rates, and revenue through your chatbot. Delve into the data to spot bottlenecks or areas ripe for improvement. Experiment with different approaches, A/B test conversation flows, and fine-tune your chatbot's performance to maximize your earnings. In conclusion, chatbots open up a realm of opportunities to earn money online while keeping your identity under wraps. Identifying a profitable niche, crafting an engaging chatbot, and deploying monetization strategies like affiliate marketing or consultation services are your keys to generating income. Optimize, update, and ensure your chatbot continually offers value to march towards financial independence and success in the chatbot arena. Still on board? Your dedication's about to be richly rewarded. Immerse in the wisdom of a free ebook, pinpointing the paramount online business approach ready to launch today. But anticipate a twist. Once the ebook's tales are told, a thrilling 15-day challenge beckons, exquisitely chiseled for this e-voyage. Directed by e-maestros, cutting-edge revelations, and a treasure trove of tools, your course to online stardom is charted. Can you resonate with this eminent door of opportunity? Spring into action! Deploy the link in the description instantaneously and etch your legacy in the digital cosmos. Dimming the screen on today's e-earning film reel. Rolled with the method, box office hits, or plot twists? Share your critiques in the comments. Did today's financial screenplay capture your imagination? Award us with a like. Eager for the sequel of money masterpieces? Subscribe and ring the bell, ensuring you're in the cinema seat for every premiere. Before the credits roll, spot that video trailer? It's a teaser for another money-making blockbuster. Dive in and let's co-star in your wealth success story until the next feature film.